So I put fertilizer in the soil and I watered it. So hopefully they start growing. I don't have a green thumb, but elephant ear should be pretty easy. We'll see. Alright guys, I just want to show you my 2-week update on my elephant ears. Look how well they have grown. It has only been 2 weeks, you guys. I don't have a green thumb, so I haven't done anything special to them. I just planted them, put some fertilizer, soil, and water. It's been raining in Savannah a lot, so I really haven't been having to water them, but they are starting to grow, and like I said, it's only been 2 weeks. Now, don't mind the dirt and rocks around them. As you can see, this right here, these papers, my husband and I just finished. All this was our original garden, but it was just too much to handle for me. It was all, look how well that one have grown. That looks the prettiest. But no, what you just saw, the papers, all that was our original garden, but we picked up everything and we put the papers down. But I still wanted to keep like small mini garden beds, which is the first one you saw, and then this one. So these rocks here are from our original garden. We just never picked them up. But when I decided to plant these elephant ears, I made room on each side. As you can see, I scooted the rocks over so that the elephant ears can grow. When they get maybe about another month or two, then I will clean up the garden bed, put fresh rocks down, and make it look more prettier. But right now, I didn't want to put weight on top of the elephant ears before they started to sprout.